Welcome, fellow explorers, to a world where peace, love, and music converge. Step into the enchanting realm of the counterculture movement, where free spirits and vibrant melodies intertwine. Immerse yourself in a kaleidoscope of colors, the rhythm of drums, and the beating hearts of those who dared to dream differently. Journey back in time to a generation that dared to defy convention, a time when long hair flowed freely and the spirit of unity filled the air. Transport yourself to an era where self-expression took center stage and the music's beat resonated in every soul. Join us in celebrating the enduring legacy of the hippie culture, a movement that continues to inspire generations through its music. They spoke their truth, calling for change through their lifestyle. They embraced love and harmony, leaving an indelible mark on history. Let the spirit of the hippie culture awaken your own desire for freedom and authenticity. Embark on a journey like no other, where dreams are realized and boundaries shattered. Be part of something greater. Let the wave of love and music carry you. Join us on this extraordinary voyage of discovery. Together, let's ignite the flames of passion, peace, and brand awareness. Let these ideals resonate forever in our hearts and minds, empowering us all to embrace the beauty of diversity.